Hello, my name is James Foley. I'm the United States Ambassador to Croatia. Next week is the opening of the 2012 Brown Forum. The Brown Forum was begun last year to honor the late U.S. Secretary of Commerce Ron Brown and those who perished with him in a terrible accident in Dubrovnik in 1996. And what we aim to do last year and continue this year is to commemorate the sacrifice of those on that mission and to continue the spirit of that mission and to fulfill the purpose of the Ron Brown mission, which was to improve economic prospects for Southeastern Europe and to enhance the trade relationship between the United States and Southeastern Europe. This is a joint project. We are co-sponsoring and co-hosting this conference with the government of Croatia. And I'm very proud that I will be joined by senior representatives of the Croatian government, Croatian presidency, and also by the Croatian Employers Union and the Chamber of Economy in co-hosting this event. This is a regional conference. We are bringing together local officials and businessmen from 8 countries in the region of Southeastern Europe and the United States. And we are having a special focus this year on local governments. And the purpose is to try to identify what mayors, municipal leaders, regional leaders can do to nurture businesses in their communities, to attract new businesses, new investment, and to make themselves competitive. And we have, I think, a very diverse and an exciting list of speakers who are going to be addressing the conference, and they will be coming from all over the region, from Croatia and its neighbors, and also from the United States. In fact, we're very proud that quite a number of leaders and officials from across the United States, from a number of states, from Maryland all the way to Alaska, will be coming all the way to Croatia to talk about their experiences and their successes, their failures, their lessons learned in attracting investment and making their region, their states, their cities more competitive. And for me, the highlight of the conference will be the keynote speaker, Senator Mark Begich of Alaska, who is the only Croatian American in the United States Senate, is coming to Croatia to address this conference. And he's going to talk not only as a United States Senator, but as the former mayor of the city of Anchorage, Alaska. And he's going to talk about his experiences overcoming obstacles and making his city an attractive destination for investment and a growing and successful economy. So we hope that we'll have a lot of experiences to share, a lot of lessons to learn, and that we will all learn from each other. Because at the end of the day, we're convinced that we're in this together. The United States has a partnership with Croatia and a partnership with Southeastern Europe that was forged in the difficult circumstances of 20 years ago, that was forged in the terrible tragedy that befell Ron Brown and his colleagues, and that continues today. We believe in this region. We believe in its potential. And this conference is a sign of that. Finally, let me say to those of you who will not be present at the conference in Opatia, you'll have a chance to watch the conference live as it unfolds on our website. You also have a chance to watch and even to participate by submitting questions via Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn. So look forward to seeing you next week.